What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It is your main man, Rails. Hey, I'm not starting from the house today, man. We're starting from the meetup spot. Today is Saturday, what is it, May 5th? I think it's May 5th. But anyway, today is the homecoming in Belhaven, North Carolina. So I linked up with my dad. You can see his Goldwing right here. Linked up with my dad. And we're linking up with a couple other people. We're gonna ride down there. We're gonna ride in the parade. You know, I did it last year. Pretty cool. So go down there, ride in the parade, and then they have a nice setup down there. So we're gonna go and eat some good food and all that. So I thought, why not bring y'all along for the Belhaven homecoming and ride in the parade with me. You know what I'm saying? So we're waiting on a couple other people. So once they get here, I got the 360 on the bike. We'll catch some views going down there. So I'll see y'all on the road. All right, man. So I'm back. I said I was gonna see y'all on the road, but I'm back, man. Doggone. Everybody pulled up, man. We got a nice group of folks going down, man. We got bikes, we got Can-Ams, we got Slingshots, all over the place. I'm gonna give y'all a quick view of the group of us that's gonna be going down. I didn't think it was gonna be this many people going down, but hey, man, the more the merrier, yo. So check it out. We got Slingshots over here, over there. Over here, we got a T-Rex right there. More Slingshots, bike. Got a Halls over here, man. A couple folk gassing up. People lined up back there, man. So it's definitely be a good ride down here for the homecoming parade. You know what I mean? So I said, you know what? Everybody pulled up. I had to come back and show y'all the group that we got riding, man. Like I said, it's a nice amount of people. You know what I'm saying? So I look forward to the ride, man. See y'all out there. Peace. y'all, man, we down here, man. The parade is about to start, so I just wanted to let y'all know that we made it down here safe, man. It's a lot of us or whatnot, so we're about to get ready to get on up out of here and start this parade. So let's go. All right, y'all, so we just got done with the parade, man, and I don't know if you can see right now, but it's raining, man. It's raining out here. I don't think it's supposed to rain long. It started raining actually like halfway through the parade, but it wasn't, like I said, no crazy rain or anything like that, you know what I'm saying? Everybody's still out here chilling, keeping it copacetic, you know what I mean? It's hopefully it'll go ahead and let up here sometime soon, and we can get back to shaking and grooving down here, man. Waiting on the food to get done. Y'all know I don't mind, getting some grub. So, hey, man, shout out to everybody that came through, man. Shout out to the Slings and Things group. Man, they brought some numbers down here with these slingshots, man. These slingshots are amazing, man. So my stepmom, she getting ideas on what she want to do to hers now. So a big salute to them for coming through. I mean, man, just we got hogs out here, man. So normally like my dad group, they're all Goldwings, but I appreciate the hogs for showing up. Street hogs out of Greenville, you know what I'm saying? So big salute to them, man. So we're gonna get back to kicking it over here and whatnot. And chilling out, man, and amazing. I'll probably come back. If not, I'll see you guys on the road. Peace.